Namaskar, welcome back. Mistakes are an inseparable part of a person's life, right? And when I say so, I sincerely mean what I'm saying, because it's like I haven't come across any single person who has not committed any mistake in his life, and I'm not an exception for that as well. So I have committed n number of mistakes in my life. Even today I commit some mistakes. So mistakes are going to be there, but the problem actually starts when we start identifying people based on the mistakes that they have committed, and it happens with anyone, right? So I'm not saying that people do it consciously, it happens unconsciously also, right? Unknowingly people do that, but I don't feel it is right to identify a person based on the mistakes that the person has committed, right? What is more important for any individual is to correcting the mistakes, right? So if I have committed a mistake, it is my responsibility that I should not commit the mistake again, right? I should not commit the same mistake again. That is very important, because it's like that is something which shows that we are developing, we are improving in our life, and that is something which is very much important. Because if we are committing a mistake, it shows that there is a sign that we are doing something, we are improving onto something, right? So improvement happens when we identify that there are mistakes which are happening, right? And when the mistakes are happening, we also make it a point that we are correcting them. So that's a process of a person's development, and when the development is happening, I personally feel that we should focus more on to the development, the improvement that the person is doing, rather than focusing on the mistakes that the person has already done, right? So it is something which we need to take care of, as every individual should take care of. If the people are committing mistakes, identify what mistake the people have committed and what improvement that they have done after that, right? Because committing mistake ultimately kills the person's enthusiasm of development as well. So that is the reason people get stuck at a particular point and they start developing their comfort zone, and which is comfort zone is a beautiful place, but nothing grows there, right? So I request you all to please, keep on committing mistakes, because that is something which is a proof that you're developing, and keep on improving as well, right? So that is something which we are all are here for, right? So keep on committing mistakes, keep on improving your personality, and that is something which is needed, and needed. So I hope this video has given you a new, probably an old thought in a new way, right? So if it has given you something, do share your comments and valuable feedback in the comment section. I'll be looking forward for that. So thank you so much, and hope to see you all in the next video. Thank you.